Hi guys, it's Chad, welcome back to Warthog Defense. In the midst of all its horror, war sometimes presents a moment of humor, reminding us for our humanity and raising hope for an end to hostilities. One such moment occurred when a Russian propaganda team in Ukraine attempted to act as an artillery unit with less than ideal results.
The propaganda team has arrived to make a beautiful video about the coolness of the Second Army. The artillerymen managed to fire exactly one shot from the howitzer when Ukrainian soldiers found and responded by striking their positions. The rest is comedy.
Артиллерия – главная цель для противника. Сейчас расчет отработал по пехоте противника, и мы бежим в блиндаж.
Неплохо. Это что был?
Это мина была.
Да. Нашли?
Да.
Ну, видимо, да.
Ну, видимо, нашли. Судя по всему, даже бабахнули.
Russian adventures in Kinky. A Russian T-72B3 tank coming out the forest area approaches Ukrainian positions, but meanwhile gets followed by a drone who records a direct hit on the tank. After the hit, the tank takes off. Avdiivka. Urban battles on Chernyshevsky Street. Ukrainian Bradley infantry fighting vehicle hit a mine. The crew survived without problem. Special Group Alpha's filigree work on the Avdiivka axis. Ukrainian heavy drone of the Baba Yaga type. TM-62 anti-tank mines are used for dropping. After several months of relentless attacks from several thousands Russian soldiers, several hundreds Ukrainians are still flying the flag in Kinky. Glory to the heroes. In the Belgorod region, Ukrainian armed forces again attacked an infrastructure facility with drones. The local authorities report this. There were currently no injuries. I will grow up to be a military chemist. I will make bombs out of dough. A children's song in Russia. What Russia does to its children is a crime of its own.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. Stay with Warthog Defense for more updates on Ukraine. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.